What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and welcome back to the channel. So I kind of wanted to give you guys a little update what's been going on. You probably noticed last week I didn't have any videos at all, actually. And this week I haven't posted anything yet. I did do some racing on Sunday, and I did some long range on Friday, July the 3rd. So but just want to let you guys know that I don't know, I'm kind of just running into a slump, just running out of creative ideas, things to post. I haven't had much to review, much new builds. I am building one new build for the iGao 2 competition. I'm building a specific whoop for that. It's going to be a 2S whoop on a 75mm frame, so I'm building that. But other than that, I don't know. It's not that I don't love FPV. I still love flying drones and everything like that. It's just having a hard time coming up with ideas and not doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. It kind of just gets boring after a while, I think, for you guys and for me, just trying to come up with content. So I think I'm going to take a little bit of a break, not a huge break, but I think I'm going to be more picky with the content that I'm putting out. I'm going to try and do a lot more of the live stuff, the live streaming stuff, when I'm at the races and stuff like that for you guys. So because I've got that little FPV receiver now, so I think that will be something new and exciting for the channel. Other than that, just regular FPV flights. Like I said, I'm going to be a little bit more picky of what I actually put out there, just because just throwing stuff against the wall just to see if it sticks isn't really doing it anymore. So, and not that FPV is definitely not dead. It's there's a lot of people that still do it, but a lot of people just don't watch FPV videos anymore, so especially just flights. So I'm going to try and come up with some new ideas, some new content to maybe kind of refresh the channel and things like that. So you may notice for the next month or so, videos maybe here and there, won't be on a steady kind of thing. And so I just kind of wanted to let you guys know where I was at and stuff like that. I'm not disappearing or anything like that. Just been having a hard time really coming up with new stuff to post. So if there's any ideas you guys would like to see on the channel, any videos you'd like me to do for you guys, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to do a tutorial or a video for you guys. Something maybe you want to learn, something I may be able to help with. It may not be anything I can actually do a video on, but I'll certainly try. I just feel right now that I've really kind of pinnacled on the channel, and not that it's getting boring or anything like that. It just seems like I'm putting out the same content over and over and over again, and it's just kind of getting a little bit dry. So I want to try some new things. I don't know, maybe I'll start up a new channel with some kind of other content. I don't know. We'll just kind of see how it goes. So if you guys have any ideas for me, put them down in the comments. Something you want me to film, something you want me to do a tutorial on, please let me know. Other than that, thanks as always for all the viewers, all the subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And as always, guys, while you're waiting for the next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you later.